Hi, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another Law of Attraction lesson. Today I want to speak to you about Law of Attraction lessons. What are you vibrating? You're probably saying, Eyvette, what am I vibrating? Yes, I want to speak to you today about what are you vibrating, Law of Attraction lessons. It is very, very important, people, to control what you're vibrating. I mean, you can't see what you're vibrating, but God gave you this indicator inside of you to let you know what you are vibrating, and that is by your feelings. When you're feeling sad, when you're feeling happy, when you're feeling joyous, when you're feeling envious, when you're feeling jealousy, you should already know where you're vibrating and what part of the scale you're vibrating. Are you vibrating on the level of anger, hatred, or are you vibrating at the level of happiness, of love? Love is the highest vibration that there ever could be. Love. Hatred, anger is at the lower end of the scale. Anywhere between that will tell you where you are on the vibrating scale, vibrating out to the universe, whatever it is you want to create in your life. Why is it important to know what you're vibrating? Because people wonder, why am I attracting these negative things? Why is she so rich and she's so poor? Why is it she's happily married and all my sisters are divorced? What vibration are you sending out? What is it that you're sending out? You cannot be at a level of love and sitting there and angry or jealous of another person. It just does not go out like that. Just think of the vibration as whatever it is you throw out is what you're getting back. Okay? People, listen to me. God doesn't punish. You punish yourself. Whatever it is you desire, God is going to give it to you. No matter if it's good or bad. It doesn't matter if it causes death or if it causes birth. It does not matter. God is going to give you what you are pushing out. So it is extremely important for you to know how you're vibrating, what you're attracting into your life. And that's all to do with your vibration, people. So are you vibrating love? Are you vibrating happiness, contentment? Or are you vibrating disappointment, regret? And listen, we all been there. The thing is when you notice where you are, change it. I tell people, listen, watch comedy, go watch a funny show. Don't go and feel down and depressed and try to elevate your vibration by watching something sad and somebody dies at the end or somebody loses their husband. Whatever it is, don't try to watch those type of movies. Watch something funny that you're just gonna laugh and crack up and have a good old time. Go out there, take a walk in nature, look at the animals. Go somewhere and do something that you love to do. Now, I wouldn't tell you to go out there and walk in nature if you're afraid of being bit by bugs. Or put some spray on or something. But whatever it is, to increase your vibration, you need to do something that you love to do. Go shopping. You don't have to buy. Maybe something small, maybe, for you ladies out there. But the thing is law of attraction, what are you vibrating? Whatever you are vibrating is what you're attracting into your life. It may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, it may not be this year. But believe me, people, whatever you're putting out has to come back to you. It's law, and that's it. Just like we know the law of gravity. We already know it exists. There's no way getting around it. Electricity, anything. We already know it exists. The law of attraction is not something you do. It's something that is. It just is. So how you vibrating is what is going to be attracted into your life. So what are you vibrating? I tell people, set your clock on your iPhone and have it give you a ding or something every 2 hours or every hour. Just a quick ding. And when you hear that ding, think to yourself, what am I thinking? What am I doing? Am I doing something positive? I'm doing something negative. think to yourself, what am I doing? What am I thinking? Believe me, people, we all think negative things. It happens. It happens. Sometimes I see some people walk by me and I just look and I say, whoa. Then I say, you know, Eyvette, that's not nice. Just change the way change that thought. Please do. So somebody cut you off on the road. You just want to turn around and say, you. Maybe sometimes I do. But then again, I got to change the station on the radio and make sure I get something that's going to have me laugh for the rest of the time instead of me dwelling on what that person just did to me. So what I'm trying to say, everyone is going to think on the negative side almost every day. But it's your job to catch what you're thinking, switch it so that it doesn't get implanted in your subconscious to send you something more negative by vibrating it out. So again, I just wanted to explain to you guys and make you guys think a little bit more about your vibration. It's very important, if not is the most important thing, because your thoughts, your words, your actions causes your vibration. And that's what goes out to the universe to bring back to you whatever it is in your life. So again, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another Law of Attraction lesson. Today we spoke about Law of Attraction lessons. What are you vibrating? If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, hit that bell if you can, and listen. If you want to follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can buy stuff from my store, from my shop at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. I also will start selling some My World of Metaphysics t-shirts. So listen, if you like the video, please like it. Keep watching my videos, and namaste.